The Kharkiv-Morozov Machine Building Design Bureau is a leading and coordinating organization for development of military armored vehicles in Ukraine, and it also belongs to the dozen of the greatest developers of armored vehicles in the world. Our armored vehicles are distinguished by their reliability, maneuverability, firepower and protection, and that is proved by more than 75-year experience of designing in this field. The Ukrainian builders of armored vehicles were the trendsetters in the designing of armored vehicles in the USSR, and at present they not only have preserved their positions but also have taken a well-deserved place in the world market of armored vehicles. We carry out an active marketing policy moving to the market of wheeled armored vehicles, artillery systems, as well as to the market of training facilities for military personnel. Our design office has its individual approach to every customer. Under mutually beneficial conditions, each engineering development reflects needs of the customer to the maximum, both in case of development of new advanced prototypes of armored vehicles and training facilities, or in modernization of the outdated armored vehicles. The experienced designers, equipped with modern designing facilities, develop the design documents within the shortest time. The multi-line production facilities manufacture the prototypes. And finally, thorough and comprehensive trials are carried out. At first, these trials are carried out at the stationary test facility and then at its own testing area. Together with the Malyshev plant, it is possible to organize serial production of the designed vehicles. We can also organize and maintain serial production of the developed vehicles at enterprises in Ukraine or at the manufacturing facilities of the customer. The Design Bureau closely cooperates with Ukrainian and world manufacturers of different systems for armored vehicles, constantly takes part in international exhibitions of the armament and military vehicles, makes analysis of combat operations in modern local wars. That makes it possible to keep combat characteristics of the vehicles at their highest level. In our vehicles, we use the modular principle, which is based on the selective mounting of the systems and mechanisms independent from each other, such as the running gear, the transmission with its electronic control system, the engine with its electronic control system, the autoloader, different caliber weapons, guided missile launching system, day sighting system, night sighting system, radio station, firefighting equipment, NBC protection, forwarding equipment, explosive reactive armor, optronic suppression system, and etc. on the developed or the modernized vehicles. The newest sample of the armored vehicle, the Oplot tank, includes the most modern systems and mechanisms, and thanks to the modular principle is open to further modernization. When modernizing the outdated vehicles, the modular principle opens great possibilities to vary the depth of that improvement from replacement of any separate assembly to the integrated program of modernization, including replacement of all outdated assemblies by modern assemblies. Such integrated programs of modernization are already developed and made a reality for T-55, T-59, T-62, T-72 tanks, for light armored vehicles BTR-50, BTR-70 and BMP-2. Modern developments of the design office in the domain of wheeled vehicles are represented by the multi-purpose off-road vehicle and by the armored personnel carrier that is built on its base. Thanks to the modular principle of construction, These models have wide prospects for development on the basis of a family of multi-purpose vehicles for military and civil application. Our design office develops not only the armored vehicles but also the accompanying training facilities such as the computerized programs, training aids and training simulators. These training simulators are also made on the modular principle and generate visual and dynamic situation at the crew workstations that imitate the situation at the crew workstations as that is in the real armored vehicle. There is a wide circle of customers from Pakistan and Myanmar to the United States of America, and we carry out both the warranty and after-warranty support of our products. The Kakio Morozov Machine Building Design Bureau is always ready both to arrange cooperation with new customers and to expand contacts with its old customers.